Today we're gonna deliver a sample video about connect the Dusun Gateway with Tuya platform. First, you should download the Tuya Smart application and then open it. Switch to Add Device section and then choose Gateway Controller, Wireless Gateway Zigbee, and fill in the SSID signal of the gateway. This is SSID signal of the gateway Dusun 2G4499, and then the password is 12345678 by default, and then click Next. The LED won't blinking, so just click Confirm, and then choose Blink slowly. Click Go to Connect. And then switch to Wi-Fi controller panel and connect the mobile phone to the Wi-Fi signal of the Dusun Gateway. Switch back to the Tuya application and click Confirm Hotspot Connection next. Now the pairing process starts. Wait for about 2 minutes till it connected. Now the gateway is connected and we are done. Click Done and the gateway is correctly connected. And then we should add the sub-device to the gateway. First, click the gateway we just added and then choose Add Sub-Device. Now the gateway is in pairing mode, so that we should set the temperature and the humidity sensor in pairing mode as well. We can see the signal LED is blinking in the window. Wait for a minute and they should pair. Now they are paired and we can check the sensor in the application. As shown in the window, the humidity data and the temperature data is listed. Thank you.